Tuto number 1. Rango unboxing.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. Today we're about to unpack Rango's box. This smooth cubing box can be opened by pulling off the top part. There we find Rango. It just has to be pulled up in order to continue the unboxing. Next, there is a cardboard sheet laying on foam with an opening in the middle. By taking off this sheet, we can find on one side a rolled USB micro USB cable, and on the other side, a USB power socket. We will now take off the foam and discover the rest of this package. Under our fingertips, another smooth cardboard sheet that can be pulled up using a notch. On this notice, several pieces of information are available. On one side, a scannable QR code that grants you access to Rango's user's manual. And on the other side, a short welcome message from the GoSense team for your Rango purchase. We are now touching a plastic base containing the AirDrive extra auricular earbuds. It has to be taken off in order to reveal the cables. Finally, under the base we distinguish again a round, smooth cardboard sheet. The package has to be turned over in order to pull out the round sheet. Then, 5 round cardboard sheets will drop. Those contain the AirDrive earbuds user instruction. Rango's package unboxing is now over. See you soon!